How long does it take to be mindful and be here now? At Maribel Center for Education, we believe it's a good idea to set the example. And if we ask our students to do something, let's do it carefully ourselves. We want to help others receive the information. So I started this, and I thought I would just continue, just to show that there's a system. Now, 2 times 2 is 4. 9. We'll do this one as anything orange is going to be a square number. You could even put a square around it. That would be good. So that what we're doing is we're giving students the feeling that this is a valuable activity. And let's see, where do I want to go from here? This is 36. This is 49. See, that was not very well done. I just sort of rushed that. Need to do a 9 that's better. So here's 64. Almost thinking that I would change the tip. And the 8s are written slowly with 2 strokes. There's 100. 1 times 1. And the 2 has 2 parts to it, because many times I just make it in one movement. But I want to go slowly. I had a teacher who made beautiful 4s, and he did them like this. I liked how it looked. Sometimes if I'm writing fast, it looks like a 9, so I have to admit I don't do it all the time. There we go. So what I'm thinking is that it's probably a good idea to go slowly. Show people how this is done carefully, right? I mean, ideally we would use a ruler, but now I'm showing how pretty it is. Okay, now I've got 3 other colors. Perhaps I could do something with, what did you say, 3s maybe, or 7s? 7s is an interesting number. So I'll go over here. 14. What I could do, of course, is to find things that were prime numbers. That would be interesting. Do a number just for that. Interesting. There are no prime numbers in here. Right? We can't have prime numbers here. There's 49, 56. And I think what's good is that students see that a teacher takes the time to write clearly. There we go. And then maybe, what should we do? 8s can be the other one. Let's try 8s. 16. Let's jump a little bit. Keep ourselves thinking. And I like having it cross, because so many of my students do this thing where they go down, up, like that, down, and then they eventually, their 9 looks like this, and then that's the 5. So these become almost similar. It's just, I'm trying to slow down my students. Now see, this is interesting. These 2 are the same, right? Just as 6 times 8, that would be 48 here, right? So those 2 are the same, right? Going across, this was 40.